Dad's dream. Harry, this is my second dream.
Yeah, drinking beers,
At the
loving
birthday
it.
party.
At the birthday party.
Dunny's
The birthday boy. I can't wait for Boy Gucci's set. He's gonna live his life.
Dig in.
What are you ready? I can eat everything. Have a calamari straight from the ocean.
Slap her on. Oi. What do we got here, Willy boy?
We got a big squid that I did not catch. Whole ocean. Bring out the whole ocean.
Ooh, yeah. What the hell? Wait, you gotta eat your kimchi with your food. It's fermented cabbage made by the Koreans. And then you're gonna eat more food because it helps you digest in your stomach. That's why I've eaten so much food. If you want to take a look over here. Whoa, that's a lot of food.
Goodbye to our friend, whom which we love. He's going to take over the world. He's going to do amazing things.
We're Sean done. We look forward to seeing you back. Please don't get herpes overseas. We love you.
Hey Josh, mate, enjoy the trip. All the best.
See you, Dunny. You will be missed.
Wait, one more.
Yeah, that's my guy. That's my guy.
We're out of here. See ya. No, we're doing Vietnam between these dates. Hit him up. Hit him up.
See you, Joshy. I love you so much, bro. Have a good trip. See you when you get back. These will be waiting for you.
TV, brother!